It's time for another review. Hello, I'm that TV girl and I'm back with another review, and this time it's of Inside Edge, Amazon Prime's Indian original, which surprisingly is so much fun to watch. So Inside Edge was released yesterday, that was Prime Day, and Prime Day is also technically on today too, and 10 episodes were released at a stretch in typical binge-worthy format, and trust me, you will want to watch all of them. So what is Inside Edge? Well, it's a behind-the-scenes drama about the big bad game of cricket. When the trailer came out, frankly, वैसे भी Indian series से ज़्यादा कोई hope तो रहता नहीं है. It was a little cheesy, and when you put Vivek Oberoi in anything, automatically it makes me want to vomit. But surprisingly, this series will not disappoint you at all. It is very, very interesting and like full edge of the seat to watch, man. So, short review, well, there are many things that are going great for the series. It's got a very cool cast, very good production quality, compelling storytelling, and there's a good mix of dialogue. Some are hammy, and acting. All of that works very well for the series. But the major drawback is that idiot called Vivek Oberoi, who I will get into later. Now, for the longer review, what works for the show is cricket, boss. What a sexy topic to choose. It resonates with the whole of India, and you'll definitely watch it for that. It delves into team ownership, the finances behind team ownership, the games that people play, the coach dynamic, the star player dynamic, the ex-girlfriend dynamic. It all works really well within the scope of cricket and makes it so cool to watch. Second, visual storytelling, bro. First of all, producers are Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan Akhtar, so you know it's going to be slick like Dawn style, and it does stay true to that. Right from the opening credits, which are very well made, this is a visual, it's very, very beautiful. So the show is slick, and that's a good thing. Number 3, the cast, bro. Richa Chadda as Zarina Malik is a total babe and does the job well of playing the star owner who's like a failing actress but cannot let go of her team. Sanjay Suri as the coach, unlikely cast but still works very well. Angad Bedi as Arvind Vishwanath, who I think is modeled after Dhoni as the captain of the team, the Mumbai Mavericks. You might have seen him in Mardani as the bad guy. Very fabulous acting here. Also, there's a star player, Tanuj Virvani as Vayu Raghavan, who I think is modeled after Virat Kohli because of his like fuck you attitude to everything. Also does the job really well. Plus there are a lot of sidekicks. Who's the rookie who is played by, wait, I forget his name, Siddhant Chaturvedi, who's a surprisingly good actor. The statistician, the ex-girlfriend that is played by Sarah Jane Dias, all fit the scenario really, really well. So what doesn't work for Inside Edge? First, fucking Vivek Oberoi, man. I mean, he's so hammy. He's supposed to be this deceitful, vengeful, slick suave new owner of the T20 format Mumbai Mavericks, but he so sucks balls at that. He ends up trying so hard that you want to just turn off or fast forward the bloody scenes that he's in. I think he's single-handedly screwing up the show for me. Number 2. The dialogues are a little hammy. Okay, like in the very first scene of the first episode, the star player Vayu Raghavan is going at it with the cheerleader, and it's his turn to bat, and he comes out to the field, doesn't wear a helmet. Why? Because I don't use protection, bro. And then you can hear the cheerleader screaming from there, "You bastard, you came inside me again." I'm in place. If this is not cheesy, I don't know what is. So there's a lot of cliche dialogues in the episodes. I've only gone up to episode 4. Some you can look over, some are just cringeworthy. Number 3, the unnecessary use of sex, which I think is a problem in all series today, whether it be national, British or American. I just think that sex is used a little too much in all the series, just to titillate the audiences. Well, there are a few in this show too, and they're okay. Should you watch Inside Edge or not? Definitely, man. Give it a try. It's a good drama and it'll keep you on the edge of the seat and will make you binge watch. 10 episodes are out. Watch it. And that was my teeny tiny review of Amazon Prime's original. That's Inside Edge. Make sure you watch it. But if you want more videos like these, then you know what you gotta do. Subscribe to the channel right there. I make new videos every Tuesday and Friday. But if you want to chitter chatter, you can always email me on theposkal@gmail.com. Till then, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. I would absolutely Love that. Till the next time, adios amigos. But keep watching that TV.